Dash2 Trade, or D2T, has raised more than $3.5 million in less than 3 weeks of the presale. The D2T token raised $500,000 in only 24 hours of the presale and then crossed $2 million in 5 days. Dash2 Trade has raised $4.1 million out of the $5 to $1 million planned for this presale stage. Only 20,470,680 D2T remain until the D2T price increases to 1 D2T for 0.513 USDT. Even though this is hard to predict, experts believe the D2T token has a vast potential to bring dire rewards to investors. And it looks like the crypto exchanges agree, since D2T confirmed the first listings after the presale ends. On November 2, Dash2 Trade confirmed the token would list on LBank Exchange. More details will follow in the upcoming weeks. Also, Dash2 Trade runs a giveaway in which a lucky D2T owner can win $150,000 worth of the token. Welcome to Crypto's Genie, and if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you wouldn't miss out on new updates in the world of crypto investing. Dash2 Trade is a recent decentralized crypto platform that is designed to take crypto trading to another level by offering trading signals with the benefit of social trading options. The platform introduces taxless transactions, on-chain analysis, advanced trading tools, and actionable trading indicators. Dash2 Trade wants to become a Bloomberg terminal for crypto. The main goal of the platform is to ease the trading process and help investors make clever and informative decisions. There are 5 features that make Dash2 Trade an outstanding crypto trading platform. 1. Strategy Builder Tool. This feature allows users to curate their trading strategies and backtest them. This means traders can check how those strategies would perform in the past. Strategy Builder Tool helps users to trade more efficiently by removing the manual element of the trading. 2. Trading Signals. Dash2 Trade tracks the performance of coins on the platform and signals the best buy and sell opportunities. This is extremely useful for investors to make the moves at the right time and earn from their investments. 3. Alerts about new exchange listings. Dash2 Trade will notify traders whenever a new token launches on the platform. Also, Dash2 Trade users will get access to the news section. Alerts will help traders stay ahead of what is happening in the crypto world. 4. Presale launches. Like the exchange listings, Dash2 Trade users will also be notified about the new presale launches. Dash2 Trade will have a scoring system that will help investors understand the potential of every new crypto. Also, traders will know the start and end date of the presale and be able to add it to their watch list. 5. Social sentiment and on-chain analytics. This is one of the features not offered by other crypto trading platforms. Social sentiment and on-chain analytics features allow users to stay ahead of the fast-moving crypto space. This means that traders will be familiar with situations where fear surrounds the market or when the market becomes too euphoric. Knowing something like this can help investors capitalize on market opportunities. Now, how can you buy a D2T token? The only place you can buy the D2T token is Dash2 Trade's official website. The current price is 1 D2T for 0.05 USDT, and as mentioned, after the end of the presale stage 2, the price will increase to 0.513. Investing in the token is simple and requires the completion of a few steps. Step 1. Navigate to the Dash2 Trade official website. Step 2. Connect wallet. For a smoother experience, buy from your desktop. The best wallet, in this case, is MetaMask. If you are buying from your phone, use Trust Wallet. In case you trade from the mobile browser, you should connect the wallet through the built-in browser. Step 3. Choose the preferred payment option. You have 3 options. Buy with ETH. Buy with USDT. You have to ensure you have at least $30 in your wallet to purchase. Buy ETH. Use this option only if you don't have enough ETH in your account. You can buy it with a credit card or bank transfer via on-ramp partner Transact. The next thing you should do is enter the amount of D2T coins you want to buy. The smallest purchase is 1,000 D2T coins. After that, you have to confirm your transaction. Step 4. Claim your tokens. You will be able to claim your tokens after the end of the presale. All details will be published on -2 Trade website, but the procedure should be easy and fast. Now let's take a look at the -2 Trade price prediction. It is hard to give any predictions since D2T has not yet been listed on exchanges. But some experts say D2T could reach $0 and 635 cents by the time the token lists on exchanges. After the launch of a fully diluted valuation, FDV, of just over $66 million, -2 Trade could trade at a $0.01 level. Price predictions say D2T could reach $33 by 2025. If this turns out to be true, D2T would pump by 50x in 2 years, which would be a terrific milestone. Outlook India is very bullish on -2 Trade and predicts that crypto will have a bullish 2023. This is a very bullish indicator with the recent negative sentiments in the market. The first thing to capture investors' attention in the case of -2 Trade is its platform. The -2 Trade platform is a reflection of the collective experience and capabilities of the developing team, who are, in fact, crypto market veterans. Above all, this platform makes it possible for traders to decide when to buy/sell while working with real-time complex market analytics received on their dashboards. Before -2 Trade, crypto traders never got the opportunity to make the most of social indicators that are inbuilt into this ecosystem. The dashboard for each user will include some unique social indicators, as well as on-chain analysis for the top cryptos within the market at any point. With these two impeccable tools, it would be far easier for traders to monitor the price movements of any crypto. The mention of the -2 Trade platform remains incomplete without a word about the strategy-building capabilities it offers to crypto traders. A lot of crypto traders end up losing money because they fail to develop a trading strategy that works. -2 Trade is offering a quick fix in the form of its backtester and strategy builder. D2T owners will get the chance to use this tool and test it to know whether it works or not. Technical indicators provide accurate data straight from the price chart of any asset. But deciphering what some technical indicators mean and then deciding how to trade based on its data could be very tricky. With -2 Trade, this is no longer a problem. Once it launches, -2 Trade will have independent technical indicators to guide platform users. With accurate and comprehensible information, -2 Trade will make it easy for anyone to decide whether to buy/sell. Without a doubt, -2 Trade is one of the best cryptos you can invest in now. Not only it has a successful presale, but the platform also has terrific features that make crypto trading smoother. Some -2 Trade features cannot be found on any other crypto trading platform, and those give the -2 Trade a dagger advantage compared to the competition. At Crypto's Genie, we might think about choosing a small bag of -2 with the intention of holding it for a while. Negative market sentiment is prevalent right now, and it's unclear how -2 Trade will function when it goes public. The crew and the project's distinctiveness are the main factors influencing our decision to choose a compact bag. Since we don't have enough information to work on pricing, all new projects are significantly riskier than the ones that are already listed. Please use caution when investing in cryptocurrencies. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. While you are still here, please go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. Also check out our website and Twitter. Links in description. Thank you for watching.